No one in the room realized they were watching the birth of a new way of understanding life. It was a cold February evening in 1865 in the quiet town of Brno. Snow pressed against monastery walls. Oil lamps flickered. A small audience gathered expecting a modest lecture. Nothing more. At the front stood a soft-spoken monk, his hands stained not with ink, but with soil. His name was Gregor Mendel, and what he was about to present would quietly shatter centuries of biological belief. For thousands of years, life had been explained through observation and philosophy. Traits were thought to blend like paint. Tall parents made tall children, strong blood diluted weak blood. Nature was described, debated, but never truly tested. Mendel did something radical. He counted. He compared. He experimented. In the monastery garden, pea plants climbed wooden frames in perfect rows. Mendel watched them obsessively. Round seeds, wrinkled seeds, purple flowers, white flowers. He crossed them deliberately, generation after generation, recording numbers with almost unsettling patience. Patterns began to emerge, patterns no one expected. Traits didn't disappear. They waited. They returned. Halfway through his talk, something unsettling took shape. These outcomes weren't accidents. They followed rules. Invisible rules. Mendel suggested that inheritance moved in discrete units. Separate, predictable, mathematical. Life, it seemed, obeyed laws. This was the quiet revolution. Biology had crossed a line. For the first time, living systems were treated not as mysteries to be admired, but as systems to be tested. Variables controlled, results repeated, errors counted. In that moment, biology became experimental science. But the room stayed silent. No applause, no shock, no recognition. Mendel's paper would be published, read by almost no one, and forgotten for decades. The world wasn't ready to believe that life could be reduced to ratios. And yet the truth waited. Years later, long after Mendel's death, scientists rediscovered his work, and everything changed. His invisible units became genes. His garden became the foundation of modern genetics. Medicine, evolution, agriculture, and biotechnology all traced their roots back to that quiet lecture in Brno. A monk with pea plants had rewritten how humanity understands itself. Sometimes, the most powerful revolutions don't arrive with noise or fire. They arrive with patience, curiosity, and someone brave enough to count what everyone else ignores. If this story changed how you see science and the hidden moments that shape our world, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with the discoveries you think deserve more attention and help this channel grow.